Here's a van tour of the rental we got from Indie Campers for our road trip in Big Sur. This is perfect for a family. It has multiple sitting for the car seat that turns into the dinette. It has solar panels for the electricity that you need, a mini fridge for your groceries, lots of plugs to charge our phones and computers. It has a mini stove and a cutting board, and Indie Campers provide everything you need for cooking, eating, and sleeping. We love that it had a shower and a toilet. It makes everything easier when road tripping with a baby or kids. We couldn't believe the amount of storage this van has. We actually couldn't use it all, even with all the things that we had. Opening the doors and the view was my favorite part of the van. If you're driving with multiple people, you can also remove the dinette table for more leg space. The van also has blackout shades all around, and the best feature when traveling with a family is that it has a pop-up bedroom. You can comfortably fit 2 people. It has multiple windows for extra breeze and plugs to charge. This Indie Camper van is perfect for the family. On the backside, it has an outdoor shower, a lot of storage, and we were also provided with camping chairs and a table. If you're looking for a van for your next road trip, make sure you check the link in our bio for your own van rental.